urban development is in trouble from last number of years, but at the same time the new scheme, smart city scheme, is there, which government plan to develop 100 cities in India, to upgrade the 100 cities to any good international cities with their local ethos and local culture intact. So funds are there, schemes are there, and city are progressing to use that fund and convert them into a modern towns. The biggest challenge is that while doing any work, the agencies involved in taking a call, there are n number of agencies. To bring all agencies in one platform so that a proper decision can be done and the implementation of the project is possible is the toughest job. PPP is no doubt is very important and is a must, because the redevelopment of town is not just possible by the government fund, but the private participation is equally important. And private participation is also help in bringing technologies, as well as ease of converting design into reality. In Varanasi, Control and Command Center is one of the major projects. Besides that, we are also exploring to redevelop a stadium. Third is a housing scheme for the urban poor, as well as a affordable housing part is on way to start construction in other part. The approval is on its way, and then a Gaushala is already under construction, and ghats. The lot of work is happening on ghats. So these work are happening in a pace. Yeah, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana is again a very unique scheme promoted by Government of India. They are mapping each and every individual who is eligible for home, and after mapping them, the data is loaded on the cloud hosted by Government of India. After rechecking that data at a central level, unique number is allotted to each and every person, and then a detailed survey of his property is done, and the designing part of the house which he requires, costing, and then appointment of contractor, which is to be done by that person himself, and then construction for each and every person enrolled there. And the grant is from the government, which is directly transferring from the Government of India account to that individual person, by passing all government setup and other setup directly into its account. So it's a very large project. It's one of the largest projects we are working for. Scale wise, I think the involvement is much more in PMAY project than Smart City. We are working for 3 clusters in UP. One is Chitrakoot, another one is Meerut, and then Moradabad. So in each cluster is having number of cities, large clusters. So we are working for 3 clusters in UP. Besides that, we are also working for few towns in Rajasthan, few in Bihar, for in PMAY project.